Ethan Cade, a selfish and manipulative businessman, ruins a competitor's life to secure a deal.
His disregard for consequences leads to his tragic death in a car crash caused by his own recklessness. Ethan wakes in a vast void, where an ancient entity, the Keeper of Balance, reveals that his karmic debts are overwhelming. To balance the scales, Ethan is sent to another world with a mission to make amends or face eternal torment. Ethan is reincarnated as Kalen, a destitute wanderer in Ilmora, a world where karma visibly shapes people's lives. Positive actions lead to blessings, negative actions attract curses. Kalen discovers a glowing mark on his chest, a swirling sigil of red and gold. It tracks his karmic balance, growing dimmer with bad deeds and brighter with good ones. Kalen steals bread to survive but is immediately struck with a painful curse. His limbs feel like lead for hours. A kind villager offers him food, explaining Ilmora's karmic laws. Kalen helps a lost child reunite with their family. His karmic mark glows faintly gold, giving him a brief sense of warmth and vitality. Kalen meets Arya, a healer with a golden karmic aura, who sees potential in him despite his dark past. She offers to guide him if he's willing to change. Kalen faces bandits attacking a caravan. He hesitates between saving them or fleeing. Ultimately, he intervenes, but his hesitation costs lives. His karma flickers uneasily. Kalen's karmic mark dims dangerously after a moment of selfishness, causing hallucinations and nightmares about his past life. Arya takes Kalen to the City of Scales, where a massive balance structure monitors the city's collective karma. Kalen learns that the city rewards good deeds but ruthlessly punishes the wicked. Kalen is tasked with helping a thief caught stealing medicine. He learns the thief was trying to save their sick child. Choosing to defend the thief earns Kalen positive karma, but the decision haunts him. A secretive group called the Karmic Sentinels targets those with overwhelmingly negative karma, cleansing them from existence. Kalen barely escapes their wrath. Kalen and Arya find a village plagued by bad karma after its corrupt leader exploited its people. Kalen helps expose the leader, but not without personal sacrifices. Kalen learns that helping others creates ripples of positive karma, indirectly affecting him. He begins to focus on improving lives instead of seeking personal gain. Kalen meets an enemy from his past life, Derek, the competitor he ruined. Reincarnated as a poor farmer, Derek is bitter and vengeful. Kalen struggles to earn his forgiveness. In a mystical temple, Kalen confronts visions of his past actions as Ethan. He's forced to relive the pain he caused others, shattering his pride. The Keeper of Balance reappears, warning Kalen that his karmic debts are far from cleared. If he falters, his soul will face eternal punishment. During a festival celebrating karmic balance, Kalen defends a beggar from an unjust punishment, earning the respect of the townsfolk in a surge of positive karma. A powerful entity, Kathos, rises, a manifestation of collective negative karma in Ilmora. It threatens to destroy the balance of the world. Kalen and Arya assemble a team of flawed but redeemable individuals, including a rogue knight, a cursed mage, and the thief from earlier. One ally betrays the group, tempted by a shortcut to karmic cleansing. Kalen must decide whether to forgive or punish them. Kalen earns the legendary karmic blade, a weapon that grows stronger with the wielder's purity of intent. However, misuse could corrupt his soul. Kalen and Derek finally reconcile, working together to save a village from Kathos's influence. This act of unity glows brightly on Kalen's karmic mark. Kalen and his allies confront Kathos in a ruined city. Every action they take, good or bad, shifts the karmic balance of the battle. Kathos offers Kalen a deal, erase all his karmic debts in exchange for letting Ilmora fall. Kalen rejects the offer, strengthening his resolve. Arya sacrifices herself to protect Kalen, transferring her golden karma to him. This act inspires Kalen to push forward. Kalen uses the karmic blade to destroy Kathos, but the act depletes most of his remaining karma, leaving him near death. The Keeper of Balance intervenes, offering Kalen a chance to reincarnate as a pure soul or remain in Ilmora to guide others. Kalen chooses to stay, becoming Ilmora's karmic guardian, dedicated to maintaining balance and teaching others the power of their choices. Kalen's journey inspires others to embrace karma's lessons, slowly transforming Ilmora into a harmonious world.